Welcome to the Book of Nehemiah, a profound story of leadership, perseverance, and divine restoration. In this powerful account, Nehemiah leads God's people to rebuild Jerusalem's broken walls, facing fierce opposition, yet prevailing through faith and determination. The book opens in the Persian capital of Susa, where Nehemiah, a trusted cupbearer to King Artaxerxes, hears devastating news. Jerusalem's walls lie in ruins. Grieved, Nehemiah fasts and prays fervently, seeking God's favor. When the king notices Nehemiah's sorrow, he grants permission for Nehemiah to return and rebuild the city, even providing letters of protection and supplies. The people rally together, each family taking responsibility for sections of the wall. However, enemies like Sanballat and Tobiah mock and plot against them. Despite intimidation and threats, Nehemiah arms the workers and encourages perseverance. "The God of heaven will give us success," Nehemiah declares. Nehemiah confronts internal injustice as wealthy Jews exploit the poor. He demands reforms and models integrity, refusing to burden the people with taxes. Meanwhile, enemies attempt to distract and intimidate him, even spreading false rumors. Nehemiah stays focused. "I am doing a great work and cannot come down." Finally, the wall is completed in an astonishing 52 days, a testament to God's hand upon the project. With the wall rebuilt, Nehemiah and Ezra lead a spiritual revival. Ezra reads the law aloud, and the people weep, realizing their sins. A massive celebration follows as they renew their covenant with God, pledging obedience and faithfulness. To repopulate Jerusalem, leaders and volunteers settle within the city. Nehemiah institutes reforms, addressing issues like Sabbath breaking and intermarriage with foreign nations. He re-establishes proper temple worship and governance, determined to keep God's covenant people holy and set apart. Nehemiah is a story of leadership under pressure, prayerful planning, community effort, and unwavering devotion to God. It reminds us that no matter the opposition or challenges, God empowers His people to rebuild, restore, and renew what is broken. Thank you for joining us for this incredible journey through the Book of Nehemiah. If you found this video inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Bible narrations and spiritual lessons. May you be strengthened in your own journey to build and restore what God has placed in your heart.